Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. I'm in this place called Abuko. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the new road they are about to construct here in Abuko, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and show you guys how this environment looks, plus the new road they are about to construct here. So guys, this is how this environment looks. Yeah, the way I'm facing leads to the main highway, the main Trans-Gambia highway. Yeah, and I will keep on going straight like this. I will go straight like this. Yep. Yes, this is Abuko in the year 2025. Yep. So guys, this is where they will construct the new road. Yep, just take a look, they already do the pavement. Yep, they already do the pavement. I'm seeing a Johnson here. On my right hand side. Should I come to that Johnson or should I go straight? I have no idea. Let me just take a turn here. I have never been to this other side of Abuko, so let's explore together. Yeah, even though I'm from the Gambia, I have never been to this other part of Abuko. Let's go. This is deep inside the local neighborhood of Abuko. Let's go guys, let's go. D'accord. Guys, I was just saying hi to my former schoolmate. Yeah, he was in my classmate. He was my schoolmate. Yeah, we recognize each other. So I was just saying hi. Anyways, guys, we are still in Abuko. I have no idea where I'm even going, but I'm in Abuko. Let's get lost together. I like getting lost. Yeah, I like getting lost. Wow. Wow, nakam. Are you cool, huh? Huh? Are you fine? Alright, viewers. Finally, guys, here we are. Oh, guys, I finally recognize this place. Yeah, when I go straight like this, it will lead me to Abuko. Yeah. Guys, I finally recognize this place now. I'm getting into Wellingara. Wellingara is a village here in the Gambia. Yeah, I'm just from Abuko, getting into Wellingara. Yeah, I recognize this place. Yeah. Okay. And this is a football field plus a playing ground too. Here. Wow. Guys, it's windy out here today. My bad if the wind is affecting the audio. Guys, what did you think about this environment? Just tell me in the comment section. Yeah. And then guys, if you watch the video till here, just kind of do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience, people like you watching. Let's go. This is Wellingara. So this new road, it connects Wellingara and Abuko. Yep. I don't even know where to end this video. I'm just walking around here and see what I can get for you guys. Yeah, anything for you guys. Wait a minute. This one. This is a school uniform of Wellingara Lower Basic School. Those are children's from Wellingara Lower Basic School. That's their school uniform. That's how it looks. Yeah. Wow, my peoples. So these are the red stones they're gonna put here. Yeah, and then grade it to level. Yeah. Guys, this is deep inside a local Gambian community whereby they are about to construct a new road, and then this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Abuko and some parts of Wellingara. I'm out. Peace.